Today I'm going to show you how to remove the serpentine belt from a 2013 Nissan Rogue without removing the front passenger side wheel and without removing the large trim piece in the wheel well. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. I have the front wheel turned as far to the right as it will go, and I've taken off this panel that fits right there. There are some videos that suggest removing this panel and removing this wheel, but the bolt head on the tensioner pulley is just right there. And if we're looking at it from the bottom, this is very durable. And there it is. So why go through all the hassle? And again, all I'm doing is just pulling this bottom piece right here. Instead of taking it off, I'm just pulling it back a little bit, and I'm getting this 14mm socket on there, and I'm going to push it that way it will be turning clockwise. So here we go. Too long and it comes down and hits the oil filter. If it's too short, you don't really have a lot of playroom. So you just got to really watch the tension. If we come up here to where the belt is, I can take all I want to off of there, all the trim pieces and everything, but it's still not going to fix the limited amount of space here to route the belt back in there, or remove it for that matter. Now it's time to reinstall the new belt. And if you look just below this pulley, there's kind of like an opening to where you can push the belt back to that pulley there at the bottom. That shows you that you only have to take off one trim piece and just turn the wheel to the right as far as it will go, and you can access what you need to